Meet the Millers, a typical family in a typical neighborhood. There's Rob, Bobby, Debbie, and Sandy. They're typical, but they're not average. They each have very unique personalities, especially online. Rocket Fuel's Marketing That Learns helps you not just meet the Millers, but really get to know them. This is Debbie. She's in the midst of planning an epic family vacation. She's quickly becoming an authority on travel deals as she searches for the perfect family getaway. Debbie knows what she likes, and she gets annoyed with ads that don't. That's where Rocket Fuel's programmatic marketing platform can help. Our AI engine learns the do's and don'ts about what Debbie likes, which is great for a marketer because when Debbie likes, Debbie buys. Do serve Debbie branding ads on her tablet. That's where she likes to browse, compare, and learn about travel. Don't serve an ad during her cooking show. Rocket Fuel's AI has learned when Debbie's all about sautéing vegetables and not thinking about baking in the sun. You don't mess with Debbie when she's in the zone. Do use what you've learned from her activity on your website when she clicks through to your call center. Debbie will be impressed when your customer service agent has a good understanding of what type of vacation she's looking for. Don't serve her an ad with a Mai Tai in the creative. She has never once clicked the bar section of your site, and the sight of Mai Tais triggers a flashback to that luau party in college that she'd rather forget. When Debbie comes back to your website, welcome her to a luau-free zone with the gorgeous family suites and fun group activities you know she's been searching for. Do, as Debbie gets closer to booking a room, send her emails with more information about that suite she's had her eye on. When it's time to seal the deal, send her an ad with special pricing on her laptop, because Rocket Fuel knows that's where Debbie likes to finalize her travel plans. She converts right before bedtime, so she can start dreaming of her vacation right away. Don't immediately retarget her with an ad for the vacation package she literally just booked. Instead, let some time pass so she can tell the family about the brilliant vacation she booked and revel in their adoration. Then Rocket Fuel can start offering her add-ons based on what she's shown interest in, like snorkeling or a chance to swim with the dolphins. Rocket Fuel's Marketing That Learns helps travel marketers not just meet Debbie Miller, but really get to know her. What she needs now, what she'll want to buy next, and how to get the timing just right. Download our Guide to Programmatic Marketing to learn more about how Rocket Fuel helps marketers achieve real business outcomes, like bookings of a family vacation package.